Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. A lot of persons have been attributing the silence of Nnamdi Kanu for a while now over so many things. Some said is what is happening in Imo State by Abakyari. Some said is because there's some sinister moves he's about to make and doesn't want the whole world to hear. All that's attributed it to one or two things that he has not he doesn't want the cat out of the bag yet, but eventually one or two things are coming up. Nnamdi Kanu is speaking strongly over the matter. Don't forget that while he's speaking strongly, some persons are also strongly opposing him, especially when it comes to the leadership of the southeastern zone. But before we go to the newspaper to find out what he talked about, IPOB, ESN, Fulani Herdsmen, and going forward of Biafra agitation, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, there are a lot of things that are going on right now. ESN, Nnamdi Kanu had opened up and told the whole world who cares to listen that ESN will never allow Fulanis to conquer Biafra land. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, vowed never to allow the Fulanis to conquer Biafra land. Kanu further stated that the security outfit of Biafra, the Eastern Security Network, was created to protect the region. The security outfit over time has been accused of attacking security agencies, government properties in the southeast and south-south regions. However, Kanu and the group have consistently denied the attack, insisting that their target is the killer herdsmen, causing so much mayhem in the states across the country. Well, ESN, according to another news, they said ESN, the Imo State Police Command, the Imo State Police Command on Saturday disclosed that members of the Eastern Security Network have shot a man identified as Pascal Okeke dead for making invincibility charms that have failed over the years. As that means Charles Okeke is a charms man. Okay, the media advisor to the State Commissioner of Police, that's Mike Abatam, said the security outfit was pissed that the charm which is supposed to make them invincible and escape security agent had not been efficacious, as in has not been useful. I don't know how true it is, but it's coming from the police media persons. The police disclosed that ESN killed the man after police raided the group's hideouts and neutralized IPOB members. I think the other time Abakyari himself said the whole place is silent now because they have silenced all the IPOB members that have been causing mayhem. I don't know how true, but that's what in another news that I saw. But let's continue. According to the police, the man was shot on June 25th, decapitated, and his body burned. His house was also set ablaze. Operatives of the Nigerian police on Friday raided camps of suspected members of the Eastern Security Network (ESN), the militia wing of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) group. It was gathered that many ESN members were killed in the raid that took place at Ata, Izumbe, and H0t North areas of the state, that's in Imo State. It was also learned that the raids, which commenced around 4 a.m., was carried out by operatives of the Intelligence Response Team, that's IRT, Special Tactical Squad, STS, Anti-Kidnapping Unit, AKU, and other special forces. I'm curious though, no sentiment now. If we have such very strong tactical teams like IRT, that's Intelligence Response Team, Special Tactical Squad, STS, Anti-Kidnapping Unit, AKU, ACO, why are we still having Boko Haram around? By now, there should have been history. And with such tactical team and their effectiveness, quote and unquote, kidnapping shouldn't even be a thing that we should be hearing every other day in Nigeria. These guys, they look capable from all the things they've been saying. They should take them to Sambisa. They should take them to Bl0ws. Take them to those places that Boko Haram have been having a few days so that Nigeria will be secured again. You can imagine how, it did take them rocket science according to them, to do what they're doing. But then they go down to help Oyo, Ibarakba is all very hot now. over this issue of Fulani herdsmen, reprisal attack. They should go into these places and fish out these killer herdsmen and ensure that there's peace in the Barakba in Oyo State, the Gangan in particular in Oyo State. And they should do the same in the northern part of Nigeria and Niger State, Borno. They've been having issues with security. These guys seem to be very tight. If they are not, if based on what they're saying that they've been able to neutralize it, they should go ahead and neutralize Boko Haram. They should go ahead and neutralize ISWAP. They should go ahead and neutralize ISIS. Why are we moving around in circles? Okay, a lot of Nigerians have insinuated that ever since Abakyari went in, Nnamdi Kanu have not been talking. But you've heard what Nnamdi Kanu says just some days back, that no matter what happens, he will not allow the Fulani herdsmen, that's the ones that terrorize the environment, to have a field day, because that's why ESN was created, to ensure the security in the land. And out of curiosity, Ibubago was launched. After that first launch, we've not felt and heard of Ibubago. What's going on? As in, was it just a verbal thing? But we saw some of the men well dressed. We even saw some vehicles attached to them, especially the ones that was tactically done for Imo State. We saw nice vehicles. Are they still functional? If they are, there seems to be no much media coverage over their activities, which means they shouldn't let them not become more political than they ought to be. Because if they are being created as a regional security outfit, then by all means, they should be in the media and the radar, always protecting the people. This is, I don't know, but I feel that if this can be done in Southeast, and they seem to be taking the glory, thank God. Well, all I'm saying is they should do same too. And what is good for the goose is good for the gander. It didn't take them anything, quote and unquote, to begin to fish out the camps of ESN. It shouldn't also take them anything, or to fish out the camps of Boko Haram, wherever they are in the north, and neutralize them. That's the way the one Nigeria mantra will be making a lot of sense. All right, but anything that is going to bring security to our homes, please, by all means, we accept it and we respect it. But we also say that the northerners too are our brothers. They also need to be secured. So we also think that the same method, if not harsher method, should be brought down to the northern parts, so that our northern brothers too can sleep with their two eyes closed, because it looks like the bandits are even more comfortable. The residents are more comfortable with the bandits, especially in the northern part. We've seen series of videos where the bandits and the locals are interacting freely. I'm wondering, they should actually do this so that the indigenes will be more comfortable and safer in the hands of the security personnel and not in the hands of bandits. I guess that's what's going to wrap it up. What's the take on what is going on in the southeastern region, particularly in Imo State, where Nnamdi Kanu has also still maintained his stand that ESN will protect the Biafran lands, the southeastern zones, particularly, and all Biafran land, according to him, from Fulani herdsmen terrorizing the environment. And while Abakiyari is, saying with all boldness that he has actually neutralized, if not all the camp, but most of the camp of ESN in the